How to send corporate or bulk gift cards with GoGift. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Once the homepage loads, navigate to the platform section in the top menu. Here, click on the bulk gift card option to explore the corporate gifting solution. You will find options to customize your bulk order, including selecting the number of gift card, the brands or type of card, and the delivery method. Next, enter the recipient details or upload a list if you have many recipients. Review your order carefully to ensure all the information is correct. Once everything looks good, proceed to payment to complete your bulk gift card purchase. After purchase, you will receive a unique link or individual gift codes that you can share with your employees, clients, or partners. This method makes corporate gifting easy, efficient, and flexible, allowing recipients to choose gift cards they truly value. Now you know how to send corporate or bulk gift cards with GoGift. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.